All right, shot of Fireball. Let's go. Happy Friday to everyone out there. Hope you'll have a drink with me and chat with me, and we can hang out, and I'll tell some bartending stories and teach you how to brew alcohol. So, uh, there's some Fireball for you. Cheers. Fireball's always good. Thank you to my friend Emily for giving this to me. A couple of cocktails you can make with Fireball. Personal favorite, Fireball mixed with Red's Apple Ale. I've tried it with other apple ciders, and those tend to taste pretty good. I have also tried it with Dr. Pepper. That's awesome. Great mix. The last one I would recommend is you basically do a Washington apple, which is whiskey with a splash of cranberry to make it a little bit red, and then you do sour apple pucker. Well, if you do Fireball as the whiskey, it actually adds a lot to it. So, in my opinion, it's a cinnamon thing. It kind of makes like an apple cinnamon kind of deal. It's really, really good. Highly recommend it. Fireball is actually a really versatile whiskey for any like person making cocktails. Like I said, or like I've said in the past, I used to be a bartender, so I'm always the one that's offering tons and tons of recipes. Happy to offer them to you